सर्वत्र भूतेस्मिन् प्रपंचैकान्तकारिणे संसारे किमुपादेयं प्राज्ञो यद् अभिवांछतु. सर्वत्र असत्य भूते अस्मिन् प्रपंचैकान्तकारिणे. सर्वत्र असत्य भूते. This whole world in a dream is just asatya bhuti, is not real. See, prapanchaikanta karine. Now in this world, which doesn't exist, samsare, kim upadeya yad abhivanchitum vanchitu pradnya. See, this world which is just only imaginary, doesn't exist at all. In this world, ekanta karine samsare, kim upadeya, what do you want from the dream? Money, the property, the kingdom. Kim upadem pradnya yat abhivanchatu. So what the wise man will ever think? That I want the dream girl, I want the dream palace. No, because pradnya is awakened from the dream. In the same manner, the wise man who is awakened from this waking dream, kim upadeyam pradnya, will he ever desire anything in this world? See, my dear friend, this is the basis of spiritual life. Whenever we desire anything in this world, we have taken this world to be real. We take this world to be real because we have taken ourselves to be the gross body. And then we are identified with the gross body. And this waking world comes into existence. So, ekanta karani samsare kim upadeyam. What is there worth getting? Will the wise man ever struggle to get something in this world? Yat abhivanchatu. He cannot desire anything. Therefore, it is most important for all of us to know spiritual life is not fulfilling our desires. Spiritual life is rising above the desires. But normally when we go to the temples, the holy places, we go on demanding, asking. Oh Lord, do this, do that, do this, do that. And if our desires are fulfilled, that Mahatma, that God is very powerful, Jagrut Devasthan. If it is not fulfilled, it is ordinary one. See? Therefore, real spiritual practice is we have to rise above the desires. See? How important it is. Sarvatra satya bhutesmin. Earlier what? Sarvatra asatya bhutesmin. This world which doesn't exist. Will he ever desire anything? This was one. Now second thought. Sarvatra bhute, sarvatra satya bhutesmin brahma tattva maye picha kim syat tribhone heyam pradnya pariharantu yat. Now the wise man has this experience also. Sarvatra satya bhute asmin brahmani tattve. This whole world is nothing but Paramatma. See? Satya bhute asmin brahma tattva maye. This world is nothing but Paramatma. Like all the ornaments are nothing but the gold. All the pots are nothing but the clay. See? All the colors and forms are nothing but the vision. All the sense organs and organs of action are nothing but the mind. The mind is nothing but the I, Ahankar. The Ahankar is nothing but the expression of the Chetana and the life principle. The life principle is nothing but expression of the Shuddha Chaitanya. See? Therefore, everything is Paramatma. Therefore, when everything is Paramatma, Kim Syat Tribhuvane Heyam, what will you reject? Can you reject Paramatma? Can you reject yourself? You cannot. See, friends. Therefore, the truth is, Aheyam Anupadeyam. Aheyam, you cannot reject yourself. Anupadeya, therefore you cannot get yourself. Then what is the understanding? Our Mahamantra. See? Na kuch pana, upadeyam, na kuch khona, heyam. Neither can we reject ourselves, nor we need to get ourselves. To come to this experience is the prajna, the wise man. See, both the thoughts are to be clearly understood. This world is an illusion, therefore nothing to desire about it. This world is nothing but Paramatma that you are, therefore you cannot desire yourself. You will desire everything else except yourself. So, these two verses are very important. Sarvatra satye bhutesmin brahma tattvamaye picha kim syat tribhone heyam prajna pariharantu yata.